Yeah.
Oh, we got 4 now. Oh, sing lovely. Oh, lovely. Sing lovely for us. Hello. There's 4 of them now. What's that? No, that ain't eat meat, dear. That ain't eat.
Oh.
You gonna sing? Sing for us? Sing? You're gonna sing in a minute. You gonna sing, mate?
One for you.
We got 4 now.
One for you.
They like meat, do they?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they did. They have kangaroo. Remember?
Oh, yeah, sing like chalk. Oh, she's gonna lose that one.
You sing first. Have a sing.
You like a bit of lamb, mate, do you? It's as good as kangaroo, is it? What?
What? How long? 4. They different type of bird or not?
No, they're all the same kind, they're just different colour. Sound like a chook, don't they?
You come down. Come down. Yeah, you come down. No, they up there. Why the old man cut the tree? He doesn't like bird.
What's that?
Happy.
Yeah, sing. You sing needable, don't you? You happy girls?
Where you want to go? You take home. Take food home. Bye.
See ya.
Okay. Come
Fill
get
up the
food.